As the winter wind slips through lonely hearts, oh, the warmth in your eyes turned me into